Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2014 Volvo XC60. So first of all, you decide what record you want to play. There's one playing here, and it's showing that if that's set right, whatever is playing, whatever audio is playing on your phone, whether it be YouTube soundtrack, Spotify, Amazon Music, or Apple iTunes, it will play through the system. So we'll go back here, I'll click play, we'll turn that up. As you can hear, nothing's playing here at the moment. So what we need to do is go to media, click on media. That's showing it's on auxiliary radio, so it's not going to play. That would only play something that's plugged into the auxiliary socket in there. So again, we click media again. Now it brings up another menu, and you'll see there we've got Bluetooth. So we just turn this control till we highlight Bluetooth and click OK. That's it. Train drops of Jupiter. If I turn this up now, that's how you play music. Now there is another thing. It may not play straight away, because if I just go to, let's see, if I just go to menu there, you'll see there play, shuffle, change device. So if I go to change device and click OK, it then shows you which phone will play music through. So if your phone isn't playing, you just have to do that, highlight it like so, and then click OK. Connect for media, OK. So that's connecting John's phone. He's in the office, so it's not going to play. But that's how you do it. So if it's still not playing, just make sure that your phone is sanctioned to play the music.